Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to be shopping for summer basics, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. First, we're going to be shopping for everyday tops. These are plain white tees, neutral and black, tops and camis, and oversized button downs, preferably in linen or cotton. Tees from Time and True. They have that crew neckline, drop sleeve, that same fit through the back. In the yellow, it's a new color. There's black, white, and these are going to be $12.98. Next set they have our basic button down. These are smaller, colorful, functioning buttons. Has that dolman sleeve with the cuff, scoop in the middle, and then that same detail in the back. In the white also comes in the chambray, and they are going to be $19.98. Are my favorite tees from Free Assembly. They're my go-to. I have so many t-shirts, but I love these. They're very comfortable. In the blue, the white and black, there's a slight blue, pink, and white, and they're $10. And then on this side, they have that boxy fit. So they have that crew neckline in the white, pink, navy stripe, and black, and those are also $10. Now, short sleeve sweaters from Time and True. They have that ribbed neckline, also the ribbed sleeve, ribbed bottom, relaxed fit through the front and the back. Comes in the green, also in the black, and they're $17.98. Tees from Free Assembly. They have that scoop neckline, cap sleeve fitted, and that same fit through the back. In the white, also comes in the stripe, and they're $9. Also new from Time and True are these open knit sweaters. So they have that crew neckline, relaxed fit, that ribbed bottom in the ivory or beige, also in the navy, and they're $15.98. New color in the short sleeve shirt from Scoop. This one has the crew neckline, shoulder detail, ribbed bottom in the pink, also in the white, and they are $24. Also new crew neck rib tees from Time and True. So these are the new short sleeve fitted. You could size down even one if you want it to be really fitted. New burgundy, green, there's red, pink, black, gray. On that side they have white, there's black, and they're $9.98. And then on this side they have the new sneak peek v-necks, also the relaxed fit, in the white, black, gray, pink, blue, red, and those are $7.98. Also have new colors in the peplum tee from Time and True. So this has that high neckline, sleeveless, the little smocking, same fit through the back, and now the pink and white. I showed this one in the solid white. They also have it in this white and navy stripe and the solid navy, and they're $9.98. New scallop tops from Time and True. So these have that high neckline, they're sleeveless, the scallop bottom, eyelet through the whole front, and then the keyhole in the back. Comes in the yellow, also in the pink. So we have some new colors, the navy and white, and they're $19.98. So these new rib tanks, they just brought these back from Time and True. They have the thick strap, scoop neckline. They're really good length. These are more fitted. They're super soft. In the orange, gray, white, blue, black, burgundy, there's pink, another pink, a white and black stripe, navy and white, green, and the light blue, and they're $6.98. Next, we're shopping for bottoms that go with everything. This is your denim shorts, your linen shorts, loose linen pants, and mini or midi skirts. So first of these front pocket jeans from Time and True. They have the button, zip, the 2 pockets, 4-inch inseam, pockets on the back, and these are $19.98. New color in the 9-inch shorts from Time and True. So these are high rise, they're flowy at the bottom, and then pockets in the back. Now in the dark wash we saw this beige, and then also the mid-tone, and they are going to be $26.98. So new drawstring denim shorts from Time and True. These have the belt, they pull through, pork chop pockets, pull on with the pockets in the back. And this mid-tone also comes in the lighter wash. So new long shorts from Madden NYC. They have the button zip, they're high rise, nice and stretchy with that raw hem, elastic through the back. In the denim wash, they also come in the black. Also new from Lee are these belted shorts. So it says they are 3.5-inch inseam. They have that oversized belt, side pocket with the trouser pocket on the back. Shorts are $26.98. Also new from Madden NYC are these little lace tiered, they're skirts. You can see the built-in shorts, the double or triple layer. In the ivory, they also come in black. Linen pants from ANDTRU. These have that elastic waistband, a drawstring, flowy leg. Comes in black camel. We also saw them in the navy, and they're $22.98. So new pull-on gauze pants from Millie Bobby Brown. These have an elastic waistband, functioning drawstring, side pocket with the flat pocket, flowy through the leg in the navy. Also comes in the solid white. New color in these pull-on pants from No Boundaries. So these have an elastic waistband, drawstring, flowy leg in the burgundy stripe. Also in this multicolor. They also have a new denim skirt from Lee. This one is the skirt with the built-in shorts. Now in this dark denim wash, they have a little bit of whiskering and then the pockets in the back. And the skirts are, I'm pretty sure these are online for $24. They're from No Boundaries. They have that fold over top. It's stretchy with the wide leg pant, that same fit through the back. These are $14.98 in the yellow, and they also come in the brown. Also new sneak peek shorts from Madden NYC. These look like they're high rise. They have that raw hem, pockets on the back in this light wash, also the mid-tone, and they're going to be $18.50. Denim skirt from ANDTRU. So this one has this drop tier high rise. It's a thicker weight with no stretch, and then also has the zipper in the back. And these are $26.98. Also new Bermuda style shorts from No Boundaries. These look like they're high rise, this stretchy denim with that raw hem, pockets on the back. And these are $14.98. These are new from Free Assembly. They have the tortoise button, the two front pockets. These are a cropped leg with functioning pockets on the back. Also has that elastic through the back. And next we're shopping for easy dresses. These are one and done outfits. These are new dresses from ANDTRU. They have the button, this little knotted detail, drop tier, smocking in the back in the blue. Also comes in this beige and orange, and they're $24.98. High neckline, sleeveless, smocking through the top, flowy fit with the keyhole in the back. From ANDTRU, comes in the stripe, also in that black print, and they're $24.98. Dress from ANDTRU. This one has that elastic with the puff sleeve, smocking at the waist, drop tier, and then the same fit through the back. Shoulder detail dress from ANDTRU. This has that V neckline, this ruching on the side, seam detail under the bust, drop tier, and then the same fit through the back. So new long length dresses from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap, square neckline, stretchy, maxi length in the green, purple, black, and the blue, and they're $10. Also new t-shirt dresses from ANDTRU. These have that crew neckline, cuff sleeve, relaxed fit. It is a shorter length in the fuchsia, also in the black, and they're $12.98. Also new tank dress from, these are from Nanette Lepore. So it has that smocking, flutter sleeve, the drop tier, same fit through the back. Also comes in the orange print. New halter neck dresses from ANDTRU. They have the braiding sleeveless, fit and flares out, the same fit through the back with the little keyhole, and this blue and white print, also in the pink floral, and they're $27.98. Midi length dresses. These are from the Millie Bobby Brown line. They have that plunging V, the little tie, that seam detail, flowy skirt, and then the back has the smocking. Comes in the yellow, also in this white with the navy polka dots, and they're $31.50. Also have these new sneak peek long dresses from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap, scoop neckline, ribbed and stretchy, maxi length, same fit through the back. It's squared in the back. In the burgundy, gray, and brown. Also from Scoop is this dress. This one has that puff sleeve. It looks like a linen texture, the seam, and then smocking in the back. In the pink, also in that floral, and they're $32. From No Boundaries, so very similar to a style they had last year. It's that halter neck with the plunging neckline, that seam detail. It's a stretchy microfiber fabric. In the leopard, there's the black, pink, and blue, and these are $10. Tier dress from No Boundaries. This has the thin strap, the little bow detail, flowy, and the same fit through the back. In the black, also in the orange floral, and they're $14.98. Next, we're shopping for matching set. So these are sold separately. They're from ANDTRU. The top has that flutter sleeve, split V, relaxed fit through the front. Also has that same fit through the back. Also comes in that blue stripe. These are $14.98. And then they have the skirts to match. These have that elastic midi length fit and flare in both of those same colors. And the skirts are, I think they're $22.98. Also have these matching sets from Free Assembly. It has that pleating, the peplum at the bottom, keyhole. Skirt has that pleating, same kind of fit. Comes in the blue, also in the lime. Tops are $26. Skirts are $28. How cute is this little set from Free Assembly? So it has the boxy jacket, gold buttons, short sleeve. So perfect for your dresses. If you don't want to show your arms in the summer, you still get that coverage and you're cool and comfortable. And then to match, they have the button down skirt with the front pockets, and they don't have a price, but they'll be linked down below. We saw these pants and shorts in the last video. Now I'm seeing the tops that match. So they have that high neckline, puff sleeve, the full functioning buttons with this little tie at the bottom. Same fit through the back. And the plaid also comes in the blue stripe, and they're $18.50. To match back to the pants or the tops, they have these pants. They have that smock with the tie, wide leg. I don't know if we saw both colors, but they have both to match the tops in the pants and then also in the shorts, the little tie. The pants are $19.50, tops are $18.50, and shorts are $16.50. Sweater tank from Free Assembly. This one has the thick straps, that scoop neckline, the little ruffle trim, seam fit through the back. To match, they have this pull-on skirt from Free Assembly. It has that elastic waistband, tiers, ribbed and stretchy, and then the seam fit through the back. New little polo tops from the Millie Bobby Brown line. So this one has that ribbed collar, cap sleeve. It is a little shorter, but super soft and stretchy. In the white, also comes in the yellow. To match, these are super mini skirts, so soft and stretchy with the built-in shorts in the yellow and then also in the white. Right next to that, new cardigans from Millie Bobby Brown. These have the V neckline, the little tie detail, oversized ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. In the white, also comes in navy on that side. And I don't see a price. So I have a new color in the skirt. So I guess we saw the navy last week. They match back to the little cardigans. It's actually cute. I mean, I wouldn't wear it like that, like open. But this has an elastic waistband with the little tiers. There is no built-in shorts. And the skirts are $19.50. Cute are these new little sets from No Boundaries. So it has that scoop neckline, cap sleeve, the little peplum with that crochet. Same through the back in the pink. Also comes in the white, and they're $14.98. Match, they have these pull-on skirts. So they have that elastic waistband, the little bow detail. It's lined on the inside with this really soft fabric in both of those same colors. And the skirts are $12.98. Bike shorts from the Millie Bobby Brown line. So I think we saw the tanks last week. These have that elastic waistband fitted in the palm with the palm tank. They also have the pink floral with the pink floral shorts. And the tank tops are $15.50 and the shorts are also $15.50. Another matching set from Free Assembly has the elastic, the little tie, the scallop trim elastic through the back, comes in the plaid, also in the denim. Tops are going to be $30, and then they have the skirt with the smocking fit and flare with that pretty eyelet detail in the plaid, also in the denim, and they're $36. And then we're shopping for shoes. So first we're gonna look for sandals and slides. The footbed sandals from ANDTRU, the double buckle footbed bottom in this burgundy with the silver. They also have the baby pink with the white beads, and those are $24.98. Also new flip-flops from No Boundaries. These have the square toe kitten heel, that multi-strap in the red, also in the ivory, and they're $24.98. New sandals from ANDTRU. These have a little bit of a square toe, the thong style with the sling back in the cognac, also in that merlot, and they're $14.98. Also new from ANDTRU are these sandals. So they have that square toe, the little crisscross ankle strap in the ivory, also in this black, and they're $14.98. We also have these new sandals from ANDTRU. These have that square toe, the thong style with this gold hardware sling back, completely flat, and they're $14.98. Heels from ANDTRU. They have that square toe, multiple strap with the sling back, chunky heel, and they are $24.98. Also from ANDTRU are these slides. So they have that footbed bottom, this raffia look, also this black woven, and they're $25.98. And also new from Madden NYC, these have the cork platform, that little rope detail. These are also $36. New from CHAPS, these have the square toe, that embroidered with the chunky heel, and they're $30. Sandals from ANDTRU. These have that platform, the strap, crisscross with the zipper in the back, and these are $24.98. Also shopping for white sneakers. These are from Dr. Scholl's. They have the round toe, that foot support. It says all day beyond comfort. Those are $40. They also have these white sneakers from Dr. Scholl's. They have the round toe, that arch support, and they're also $40. Also new sneakers from AVIA. These have the round toe, genuine leather. They have this new purple with the black, a new teal with the white. We saw the green previously, and then also the nude, and then also new is the brown color, and they're all $25. Also new sneakers from AVIA. So these have that gel bottom, the round toe in the white and pink, also the gray with the green, and they're $29. Also brought back these On Cloud dupes in some new colors. So they have the round toe, that knit material, the opening, and that purple is new. We saw them in white, and then also in black, and they're $27. And also new boat shoes from CHAPS. These have that round toe, the rubber bottom, and they're $32. Boot little slip-on ballet sneakers. They have that round toe, completely flat, and these are going to be $36. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.